Welcome to our YouTube channel, 5 Minutes Review. In this video, we will discuss about HyperX Predator 256GB, 3200MHz DDR4. Please subscribe our channel for new videos like this. Give your high-performance system the boost needed with the ultra-fast HyperX Predator DDR4. Paired with quick CL12-CL19 timings, keep your streams broadcasting smooth, boost your frame rate, and plow through your extensive editing tasks with speeds up to 4800 MHz. The stylish black heat spreader, aggressive, and matching black PCB will allow you to keep the cool even under extreme tasks. It's available in single module capacities of 8GB to 32GB in kits of 2, 4, and 8, with capacities of 16GB to 256GB. 100% factory tested at speed and backed by lifetime warranty and over 30 years of expertise. Dependable Predator DDR4 gives you the best of